What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on a 2006 Chrysler 300 2.7. Basic hand tools you'll need is an oil pan, an extension, a ratchet, a 13 mil, some gloves, funnel, oil filter cap wrench, your oil, and your oil filter. Before I do the oil change, I'm going to use some motor flush, just because this car is going to hit almost 190,000 miles, just to help flush out any gunk and debris in the motor. The only reason why I'm using this flush is just because that this vehicle is going to hit 190,000 miles. Just to make that motor last a little bit longer, it helps just to clean it. All you gotta do now is run your engine for 5 minutes and then do your flush. And the only reason why I already have the car on a ramp is because that once you put that flush in your motor, you cannot shift gears, you cannot put in reverse, neutral, or drive. You're supposed to just let the car basically idle in one spot for 5 minutes. And just for a quick reminder, because you put in that flush, it's not going to be how oil flows out of that drain plug. Once you take out that drain plug, it's literally gonna come out like water. So just be careful, because it's gonna be really hot oil coming out. It's been about 5 minutes now, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off that engine. What I like to do is open the oil cap just to let the air in so it can flow easier, let the oil flow down easier. What I'm gonna do now, my drain pan, go underneath the car. Remember, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna float like water. So be careful. Put it right over the oil filter, counterclockwise. And that's pretty much it, you guys.